winter now, and my wife has been a little cold at work. So she was really happy to receive this Honeywell HeatBud ceramic heater. And happy wives are a great thing. So let's take a look. Before we take a look at the heater itself, I wanted to show you the box. So again, this is the Honeywell HeatBud ceramic personal heater. And they say it's perfect for your office, desk, and personal spaces. If we look on the side of the box, you can see that it has two heat settings, high at 250 watts and low at 170 watts. It also has a tip over switch for safety. And the dimensions of this are 4 inches by 5.7 inches by 6.5 inches. In the box you get the heater and some safety instructions, but let's take a close-up look at the front of the heater. And here is the side of the heater, and here is the rear of the heater. And of course on top you can see the off, low, and high rocker switch. Okay, so before we plug it in, I wanted to show you the really long, nice power cable that comes with the heater. Again, this is a personal heater, and so they kind of expect you to put the heater under your desk or on top of the desk, so it conveniently comes with a nice long cord. So we have the heater here, it's plugged in, and we're going to turn it onto the low 170 watt setting. You can see on the front it has an indicator light telling you that the heater is on. And I'm going to stop talking for just a second and listen for the noise of the heater. So this is actually not a loud heater. It's not loud at all. It's just a slight fan noise. And if I put the heater on the profile view, you can see that the front face of the heater is angled up, so that if you had the heater on your desk, it would aim up towards your hands and your face. Now let's put it on high. Again, it's fairly quiet, and even at the high setting, it's not very loud at all. The small fan in the heater projects the heat up and away, and so even at a distance of about maybe 1.5 feet or 2 feet, I can feel the warm air being blown from the heater. And especially if you have cute little creatures like this, there's a built-in safety feature of the heater that makes it really great. That tip-over switch is a really nice feature, so if you have pets or small children, or even if it's on your desk and you accidentally tip the heater over, as soon as the heater leaves vertical, it will cut off. And here's a close-up of the bottom of the heater. You can see the tip-over switch here, and so normally when it's sitting on your desk, it's depressed. But as soon as the heater tips over, it turns off. So that's it for a look at the Honeywell HeatBud ceramic personal heater. My wife loves the bright red color, and I like the fact that it has a safety anti-tip switch, and it has an attractive modern design that looks nice even when sitting on your desk. The housing of the heater is cool to the touch even if the heater has been running for a while, and the really long power cable makes it really convenient to put the heater under your desk or on top of your desk or by the couch or wherever you want to put the heater. So I hope this review has been helpful. Thanks a lot, and I look forward to seeing you next time.
The Mr. Heater Little Buddy Indoor Safe Propane Heater is perfect for heating workshops, enclosed porches, hunting blinds, campers, tailgating, ice fishing, you name it. It's safe, provides hours of warmth, and is easy to use and store. Let's get started. First, remove the unit from the box and check for any shipping damage to the unit. Make sure you have all the components listed in the owner's manual. It is very important that you read, understand, and follow all safety instructions and warnings in the manual before setting up and operating the unit. Now you're ready to set up the Little Buddy. Connect the heater to a 1-pound tank. The tank should be installed in an upright position. Be sure the heater is away from any flames or other ignition source and that the heater is cool to the touch. The tank threads must be properly aligned with the heater threads to avoid damage to the heater. Then insert the tank into the tank base for stability. Be sure the tank is pushed all the way down to the tank base. Using soapy water, check for leaks at the tank connection. Before starting heater, check clearance to combustible objects. Top 30 inches, front 24 inches, side 6 inches, rear 0 inches. Now press the start button. Check to see that the pilot light comes on and continue to hold the start button down for 30 seconds. Then release the button. Be sure the pilot light stays on. If necessary, repeat this process until the pilot stays on. The tip switch is an important safety device that shuts down the heater if it is knocked over or tilts past approximately 45 degrees. Once the tile is turned bright orange, tip the unit to test the tip switch safety device for proper shutdown of the heater. All infrared heaters, including the Mr. Heater Little Buddy, consume oxygen in the process of burning and must be properly vented. The Little Buddy is also equipped with a life-saving oxygen depletion system, ODS. The ODS senses the level of oxygen around the heater and shuts the heater down automatically if the oxygen percentage falls below a factory preset level. Now relight the unit. To shut off the unit, push the off button. You're now ready to use the Little Buddy heater to keep you warm and comfortable any time of the year. Be sure to watch the Little Buddy cleaning and maintenance video for tips on how to care for your heater. Mr. Heater is America's most popular brand of portable heaters. The Mr. Heater Portable Buddy Indoor Safe Propane Heater is perfect for heating workshops, enclosed porches, hunting blinds, campers, tailgating, ice fishing, you name it. It's safe, provides hours of warmth, and is easy to use and store. Let's get started. First, remove the unit from the box and check for any shipping damage to the unit. It's very important that you read, understand, and follow all safety instructions and warnings in the manual before setting up and operating the unit. During operation, the heater and the attached cylinders must be in an upright position. To start setting the unit up, make sure the 4-position control knob is in the off position. Then swivel the regulator on the right side outward for easy tank installation. Make sure the unit is outside or away from any flames or other ignition source and cool to the touch. Now screw the 1-pound tank clockwise into the regulator located on the right side. The tank threads must be properly aligned with the heater threads to avoid damage to the heater. Using soapy water, check for leaks at the threaded connection under the domed plastic cover. The Portable Buddy heater can be used with propane tanks up to 40 pounds using the Mr. Heater Hose F273-701 and fuel filter number F273-699. The Mr. Heater Hose F273-702 and the fuel filter F273-699. The Mr. Heater Hose number F298802 and fuel filter number F273699. The Mr. Heater Hose number F273704. A fuel filter is not required for this hose. Using soapy water, check for leaks at all fuel filter and hose connections. Before starting heater, check clearance to combustible objects. Top 30 inches, front 24 inches, side 6 inches, rear 0. To light the pilot burner, press and turn the control knob counterclockwise to the pilot position and push down for 30 to 60 seconds. Leaving the knob in the pilot position, release and push back down for ignition. Repeat this step until the pilot lights. After the pilot is lit, hold the knob down for an additional 30 to 60 seconds. Then release knob and confirm pilot light stays on. The control knob should return to its fully extended position. To light the heater, turn the control knob to the high position. Leave on this position until the burner tile turns bright orange. Then adjust the heat output by turning control knob to the desired position. To shut off the heater, slightly push down and turn control knob clockwise to the off position. The tip switch is an important safety device that shuts down the heater if it is knocked over or tilts past approximately 45 degrees. Once the tile is turned bright orange, tip the unit to test the tip switch safety device for proper shutdown of the heater. All infrared heaters, including the Mr. Heater Portable Buddy, consume oxygen in the process of burning and must be properly vented. The Portable Buddy is also equipped with a life-saving oxygen depletion system, ODS. The ODS senses the level of oxygen around the heater and shuts the heater down automatically if the oxygen percentage falls below a factory preset level. Please note, the Portable Buddy is not designed for elevations over 7,000 feet due to the advanced ODS safety system. When using the Portable Buddy, remember that after turning the heater off, the wire guard will remain hot. Be sure it thoroughly cools before storing. Do not operate, store, or remove the cylinder near any flammable items or ignition sources. Always disconnect the LP gas cylinders from heater when not in use. You're now ready to use the Portable Buddy heater, the latest evolution in powerful and portable heat. Be sure to watch the Portable Buddy cleaning and maintenance video for tips on how to take care of your heater. Mr. Heater is America's most popular brand of portable heaters.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.